So this is my 93. I'm gonna go ahead and install the Rock Solid Motorsports lift off door hinges. That is a full door, glass, everything. Eventually I'm gonna gut it, like saying the whole car is gonna get gutted. Actually still has most of the interior right now, but this is just gonna be the video of the process behind it all to do it. He does have a few videos on his that show like little adjustments and stuff on the doors and all that, but his cars are already stripped down when he does them, so I'm gonna try to give a video from start to finish, at least on one side. So I'm gonna get the keys and get started. That jacks him up by the pinch weld here. Yeah, the two bolts I need to get undone are crammed up in there, so now I'm gonna have to get a pry bar and some other tools and try to bend that out without actually end up breaking the fender plastic. My here we go. Side skirt plastic is already loose from the two little clips, so I may just go ahead and pull that off. I'm not sure yet. We'll see if I can get that undone first. But yeah. And there's another bolt right there. I gotta get that one. And there's another one up top here somewheres. Oh, look, right there. And then got a few more up front. Should be 3 right here. And then whatever plastic stuff is holding it. And I'm sorry, I was looking at the bumper there. So I got these 3. And then I don't know about this particular one, if there's any holding it down here or not. So we'll find out. It doesn't feel like it. We'll find out though. Best part is when it says do not jack here, but that should be what you find. All right, let's see. So on this 93, I got one screw right there up underneath that plastic there. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'm gonna try to sneak an extension up underneath it and grab it. Looks like that's the only screw holding the fender on still. Okay, the 99 Camaro wasn't that difficult. So, had one hiding way back in here. Just came right through there, took the plastic off as you saw. And this little guy was holding on too, which was the Torx bit right there. And then now you can see what's going on here. So yeah, now that we got the fender off, we can actually go ahead and I'm gonna get rid of this boot. Then we're gonna start getting rid of these door hinges here. Alright, we're gonna start on the bottom hinge. I'm gonna try to do it. I'm thinking I'm gonna end up having to open a door at some point. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get around it, but here we go. Alright, so this is where we left off. Phone ran out of memory, had to delete some stuff. Hinges are in. Now it's just trying to get the door adjusted. And I mean, we're like that close. We're just kind of hitting a little high at the moment. So just trying to get that adjusted in. That's where we're currently at. Gonna have to pay attention to these shims, make sure I don't lose them. Although they stayed in this time. Then I'm gonna, not today, but one day, clean them up, get some more paint on them, because there's definitely still some spots that I didn't get the paint on. But there's the chicken hanging out with the fire chicken. Oh, you gonna come hang out with the other fire chicken?